Welcome back. In the previous steps, we implemented the router and we implemented the navigation from the login page to the welcome page. In this step, let's do something called error handling. Why do we need error handling? Let's go to our to-do application and type in the URL. Oops, nothing is shown in here, and that's not good, right? So somebody comes in, types something, and he does not know what's happening in here. To prevent that, we need to add in an error component. Cool. How do we create an error component? Very similar to the welcome component, right? I can actually create a function component as well. Let's create a function component actually. Function error component, and I'll say return div an error occurred. I don't know what to do. Contact support at abcdefghijkl. Okay, cool. I have the error component, but it's not getting rendered. Why? Because we have not really tied it up to the router. How do we tie it up to the router? We need to define the route, right? So route, over here we need to specify the path, and we need to specify the component. We know the component. The component is error component. When do we want to show the error component? When none of these components match. All that you need to do is leave this empty. So you need to say route component is equal to error component, and you can see it says an error occurred. I don't know what to do. Contact support at so and so. So if I do a proper URL, if I go to the login page, even then I'm seeing the error component. If I go to the welcome page, what would I see? I'm again seeing the error component. What's happening here? The thing which is happening here is that more than one routes are getting matched. And if we want to specify that at a point, only one of these routes should match, what we can do is we can introduce a switch. So I'll say a switch / switch. Where does the switch come from? As expected, the switch comes from the React router DOM. So what the switch ensures is at any point only one of these components is matched. So if this route, then this is shown. If this route, then this is shown. Else this specific thing is shown. So now you'd see that when I type in a correct URL, it shows something. Error URL, it shows something else. When I say login, it shows the login page. That's cool. In this quick step, we looked at adding the error component and a route for it, and we added a switch to make sure that only one of these routes is active at any particular point in time. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm sure you are having a lot of fun too, and I'll see you in the next step. Until then, bye-bye.